Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Matsuo again. I'm the College and Career Specialist here at Beaverton High School, and I'm coming to you via video because we're going to do a lesson today for 9th and 10th graders here at BHS about the concept or the idea of what is future you. Why do we use that term all the time? Why is it specific to Beaverton? Well, of course not. You're learning skills and building skills all over in your lives. And that's what Future You is, building skills for the next level. So we're gonna have some activities. We're gonna talk a little bit about your growth and how you've moved through the schools. You know, your 9th graders are class of 25, your 10th graders are class of 24, and we're gonna talk about the things that you're gonna build on for success here at Beaverton High School.